Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the best way to invest $500. For many people, investing can be very scary. 3 years ago, I had no idea what investing even was. I have learned a lot since then, especially when it comes to the different risks that come from different investments, which there are. I chose $500 because a lot of investment opportunities require $500 as the minimum investment, so I didn't want to leave any of them out. I have been investing in many different platforms such as the Lending Club, Robinhood, Fundrise, M1 Finance, Acorns, Betterment, all the popular ones, and even some crypto. The list goes on really. Why have I invested in all of these? It's simple, because I want to be as informed as possible. As an engineer, especially a frugal engineer like myself, I want to make sure that I know exactly where my money is going. The best way to learn is by actually investing. Reading can only get you so far. Most of my learning came from the actual labs of my undergrad, not the books themselves, which is kind of crazy. Also, my job and my financial situation allow me the opportunity to take some risk, which is why I don't mind investing $500 or the minimum in a lot of these platforms. I take the risk so you don't have to. At the end of the day, my goal is to provide more accurate information to those who cannot afford as much risk, which is why I'm posting this video on YouTube. With that being said, I will share with you the best way to invest $500. This one is kind of a two birds, one stone situation because by investing here, you will also be investing in real estate. I will only cover my experience in this video. This will not be a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, feel free to reach out and I will gladly make one, but this is not the video. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos like these weekly. Also, if you have any video recommendations, click on the link below to send them my way. Now, let's begin with the story. Fundrise is a crowdfunding real estate platform that allows all types of investors the opportunity to invest in real estate with as little as $500. You essentially buy properties with thousands of other people, like literally thousands of other people. And your job is to invest the money and the company will take care of the rest. You literally never have to do anything else once you invest the money, which is really good for new investors. Which is why I like it. I first heard about this while listening to the Bigger Pockets podcast and decided to give it a shot. It was around January of 2019, so about a year ago. Given that I am a real estate investor, I decided, why not? The platform offers 3 different plans: a dividend plan, a growth like equity plan, and a balance option, which is a little bit of dividends, a little bit of equity. I love the idea of passive income, so I went with a dividend plan. As you can see here, I don't have much money in the account and I really started with $500. Last year I received a return of about 8%, which is actually really good. Of course, if you buy the right stock, there is a chance that you can make more money in the stock market. Trust me, I know this. Most of my money is in real estate and the stock market. The point of this video is to help those who want to get started with their investing journey. As early investors, we want to get motivated. Even the smallest returns can brighten our days. At least they did to me. Every day you log into the app, you will see how much money you've made since your last login. This is my favorite part. It's like instant gratification. The stock market will put you on edge if $500 is all you have invested. And that is not something I want new investors to feel. Even today, it still feels kind of weird. That is why I recommend Fundrise very much. You'll be able to keep track of your projects and your returns instantly. Plus, if you choose the dividend plan, you can pull out your gains whenever you want. I really hope this video helps you in your financial journey. I have linked the Fundrise website below. It's a really cool website and super simple to use. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment if you have any questions. And until next time.